How to fix Honor Magic 7 camera not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then again click on apps. Now you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then click on storage, and here you can clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory, then go back to your main settings and then scroll down and click on system and updates. After clicking on system and updates, then click on software update. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating the latest version, then go back and click on reset. Now here you can reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.